What's up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and in this video we are going to do a gaming review of Y7 Prime 2K18 model. And I have already posted the unboxing of this device. You can check that on my channel. This is actually a budget phone by Huawei, and the Y series has just been released for this year. And you can see we have an application which is named the CPU Z, and in this application we see the battery percentage and the temperature of the device. And you can see the battery percentage was at 23% and the temperature was 37.2 Celsius. Actually, it is very hot outside right now. That's why the temperature of the device is also a bit hot. Features of this device are that it is having 3 gigabytes of RAM, and it is having Snapdragon 430 processor, and it is having Adreno 505 GPU. So we expect something good from this device, and we are just about to start our first game, which is Asphalt 8. And right now I will just be playing only 3 games because I do not have this device for a longer time in my studio. That's why I will not be doing a huge long gaming review of this device. So I have opted for Asphalt 8 and some casual games which I will be just showing you later on, and we will be checking out the temperature and everything of this device collectively, and the physical body temperature of the device too. And you can see right now the performance is awesome, the graphics are looking great. Actually, it is having Adreno 505, which is a great GPU by Snapdragon, and we expect something great by this device. The 18:9 aspect ratio of the device is making it look very great on the device, and you can see how smoothly this game is actually running on this device. I am not experiencing any kind of lag or some other issues, so it is very beautiful to see that this game is being played very well. Actually, I have already done gaming reviews of Huawei's latest devices, which have come with the Kirin 659 processor, and Huawei has done great job to optimize the things to its software. That's why the things are very great. So right now, just enjoy this gaming review of Asphalt 8, and after that we will be checking out the temperature of the device and the battery percentage. So guys, Asphalt 8 has ended, and let's check out the battery percentage. And you can see the battery is at 21% and the temperature is at 38.5 Celsius. So there is only minor increase in temperature, and I cannot feel any hotness on the physical body of the device. And there was a drop of 2% while playing this game, which is expected when you play such a heavy game for 2 to 3 minutes. This can happen with any device. So that's just great to see that right now the device is not getting hotter on the outside, and the physical temperature looks very good. And right now we are playing the pinout, and after that we will be just playing the Temple Run 2. Actually, in gaming review we just check out few of the things which are that how good the device is performing, and what is the battery percentage which remains after playing these games. I mean to say that how much battery is drained after playing a few games, and is it the physical body of the device getting hot. And the application which we are using, the CPU Z, only tells us about the battery percentage. It does not tell us about the physical temperature of the body. So it is the battery temperature which is 38.5 Celsius. Previously when we started it was 37.2, on there was only increase of 1.3 Celsius, which is not a huge jump. Now we are on to our final game, which is the Temple Run 2. The pinout actually ended when we were talking about all the things, and let this gameplay end, and after that we will be analyzing all the things at the end of this gameplay. So after playing these three games, the battery percentage is at 20% and the temperature has increased to 39%, and the physical body is still not very hot. It is actually very optimal. And one thing which I want to mention at the end, that whenever I was trying to play this game, the Modern Combat 5, it was not playing on this device. I don't know what's the reason behind. You can see right now that it is just showing a black screen and it is just not playing on this device, which is very strange to see. Maybe this game is not fully supporting and there are some kind of errors which will be fixed for this game to be played on this device. So that's it guys, this was all about the gaming review of this device, and I hope you highly enjoyed this video. And if you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and let me tell you in the end that I will be posting many videos of this device on my channel, so stay tuned for those videos and peace out.